Welcome to my Abacus learning channel. We are doing multiplication on the Abacus. This is technique number 5, episode 5. In this technique, if you have 0 in your answer, you don't need to move anything, just change your pointed rod. So let's start with some exercises. 55 multiplied by 6. We have 3 digits in our question. 1, 2, 3. This is my marked dot. I'm starting from here. 6 5s are 30. 3 and 0. 3 is 10th position. This is 10th position and 0 in this dot. You don't need to move anything. Just change your finger. And 6 5s are again 30. So 3 here and 0 here. Change your position. We came to this marked dot. We finished and our answer is next example 90 multiplied by 2. 3 digits 1 2 3. This is 0 but you have to count it 1 2 3 digits 1 2 3 digits from this rod. 2 9s are 18. 1 and 18. Change your pointed rod. 2 0 is 0. Nothing to change, just change your pointed rod because this is 1 digit here and we have to move 1 digit down and it's finished and our answer is 180. Our last example 1 2 3 digits 1 2 3 digits 5 8s are 40. 4 in this rod and 0. Change 5 0 is 0. Nothing to change and we came this marked rod. We finished 4 0 0 is your answer. So don't be confused if you have 0 in your answer or if you have 0 in your questions. Just leave it. You have to change your pointed rod only. So please do these exercises by yourself and if you have any problem please comment to me. I will make video and I will post that for you. Keep learning, like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel and I have Facebook page also. You can follow me there. Hope you like the video and last do not comment on my English language because English is not my mother tongue. So keep learning. See you in next episode with next technique. Ta-da!